Hello and welcome, City 1016 पे. This is one of those shows जहाँ पे we are just going to be talking about something that everybody in Dubai talks about, automobiles. एक व्हीलर से लेके 16 व्हीलर तक and everything in between, we're going to be talking about that. So each and every Saturday, we have something that we call Shivam Q.
Gedi Maro.
Very good. That's the name of the brand new show. Shivam hosts a page called The Cornea Impression, and everything to do with cars, everything to do with lifestyle, everything to do with watches, everything to do with shoes, everything to do with things that just we as men love. He's got everything on his page, and he and I are going to be basically just giving you a roundup of what happened in the industry this week. Ready?
October, November, December. It's an electrifying season in the UAE. We have how many car events? It's just crazy. Buzzing with event, car launches, bike launches.
Correct.
Non-stop.
Correct.
We have RM Sotheby's with the auction.
Yeah.
We have the classic car race, which is the Mille Miglia.
Correct.
We have Icons of Porsche, which is fabulous. You were there.
It's a different league altogether.
Absolutely. And which is the fourth one?
Formula One.
Formula One. Oh, yeah.
Bro, तू भूल गया उसको.
मैं भूल गया. I was busy doing something else. I was actually at right across the road on the day of the race at this beautiful venue. Ferrari hosts people. It's called Casa Ferrari.
Right.
So you have a lot of classic Ferraris, all
Correct.
the modern Ferraris.
Correct.
And a bunch of Ferrari enthusiasts just hanging out, owners, everybody just chilling, eating pizza, eating
And this
pasta.
is not a Ferrari world. This is a separate event by Ferrari.
By Ferrari. And just opposite Yas Marina. So you're part of the entire mahol.
Correct.
The traffic, the getting in and out. But at the same time, you can hear the cars and then see the cars on the race on a projector.
Correct.
So,
Correct. So Q4 is basically आपका October, November, December is the best time to be in the UAE, and especially if you're a car enthusiast, you should not be missing out these 3 months. क्योंकि
Absolutely.
सबसे ज़्यादा हलचल इसी time पे होती है.
Correct. And next year, last year we had the Gulf Historic,
Right.
which was all the racing cars from the past race in the UAE, which was happening at the Dubai Autodrome.
Right.
This year they took a pause because they needed a bigger venue. And now that entire Gulf Historic race has moved on to next year at Yas Marina.
लो जी, चलो.
तो
एक और चीज.
हाँ, तो अभी हमें अबू धाबी में भी दफ्तर घर सब लेना पड़ेगा.
टेंट वेंट वहीं पे अपने लगाने वाले हैं हम लोग.
Correct, exactly.
Okay, so for somebody who does not know Mille, ठीक है, which is one of the big events जो होते हैं in the region, what exactly happens in that race? Because there are a lot of people who are saying कि यार ये classic cars तो आती हैं, जाती हैं, लेकिन उसके videos हम लोग देखते हैं, but nobody knows exactly what happens at the event. So would you want to share some details उसका?
So the Mille Miglia is a historic race that is still held in Italy.
Right.
I think if I'm not mistaken, it was held until 1961.
Okay.
Previously, or 1957, I can't remember the exact year. There was a time
In the 60s.
In the 60s, before the 60s.
Right.
Just around that time, the race stopped because
Okay.
it was held on public roads. And due to that, it was a very hyped race. You know, people from all over Italy would come to see the race happening. We had the likes of Sir Sterling Moss. Lot of big racing names were made in that point of time. Ferrari, Maserati, Fiat raced. I'm not sure, but Ferrari, Maserati, Alfa Romeo, Mercedes. All of these guys competed.
जिसके पोस्टर घर पे लगे होते
exactly.
थे वो सारी थी
जो भी हमारे बचपन के ड्रीम्स है सब वहाँ पर रेस करते थे. They went to prove a point over there.
Correct.
But the race was stopped because of public casualties.
Okay.
Okay, they were racing on public roads. People were coming. Accidents happened, and a lot of people died. Like viewers stand-byers or audience just passed away. Sadly. So the race was stopped.
Okay.
The race was reinvented back. Now I cannot remember the date. I'm very bad with dates, but it was reinvented as a regulator rally. Matlab, all the cars that participated before it was stopped were brought in again, like the same models, and were allowed to race again on public streets, but it is a timed rally. That means भगाना नहीं है.
हाँ.
1 घंटे में यहाँ से यहाँ पहुँचना है.
Okay.
And there are other challenges in between.
Right.
So they're given a time to reach from point A to point B with multiple challenges in between. So speeding is actually not Not
बेसिकली अपनी एज के हिसाब
हाँ,
से चलो,
उम्र के हिसाब से चलो.
उम्र के हिसाब से चलो, जो भी करना है.
Correct. So the UAE was the first place outside Italy
हाँ.
where the brand branched out into.
Right.
So Mille Miglia always happens in Italy in the summer.
Right.
In the winter, Europe is cold. Nobody drives old cars. That race was taken into the UAE, where cars from the region, UAE and the GCC region in general, and across the world, come into the UAE.
Huh.
And over the period of 5 days, they drive across the country.
Across the country.
Across the country. So it
Right.
starts from Dubai, goes all the way.
And you have your classic cars, you have your modern cars, you have all kinds of cars.
So they have certain categories. One is obviously the cars that were there in the original races.
Right.
And then certain exceptions are made as per time. So certain modern cars are allowed, sponsorships, or if there's something really unique.
Right.
If somebody with a Bugatti Chiron shows up that I want to participate in the race, I don't think they'll say no, because they have a contemporary icons class which lets certain modern cars participate. Obviously, rules for them differ from the classic cars.
Right.
But again, the mahal is brilliant because you get to see things that you would never imagine.
True. Very true. Very true. Okay. So now going from Miglia, which is purely, mostly classic cars.
Yeah.
Now let's go to the icons of Porsches.
Oh, what a
Those
2 days.
3 days. Every single year since the last 3 years.
Yes.
They are just chalked
4
out.
years.
4 days.
4 years.
4 years. Okay. So they are just chalked out for everybody to just come down and enjoy the likes of Porsches.
Absolutely.
Right from their starting point to the very electric ones जो आजकल उनकी निकल रही हैं,
Correct.
सारे के सारे models.
Everything, including the petrol ones that are also being sold now.
Correct.
So we had the launch of the 992.2, which is the 911. At Icons of Porsche, we had the Carrera T and the GT3 as well. So we had both of these cars
Right.
showcased
Right.
at the event, which is brilliant. You get
Right.
to see the latest in terms of petrol or ICE, and the latest in terms of electric as well.
And this is one of those for everybody who's on the internet. This is that time जब वो बड़ी वाली जो Porsche आप देखते हैं लाल रंग की जो balloon.
Tambu. Oh, by the way, it is the Guinness Book of World Record.
Correct.
Yes.
Everybody remembers that.
Yeah.
Nobody remembers कि ये कहाँ से है. So just to make sure that everybody knows कि that happens. Icons of Porsche में since
Correct.
the last, it's been happening since the last 4 years.
4 years, correct?
And every single time it happens, that very icon of Porsche is going to be there.
Correct. I think that's become now a unique 100% totem. It will be there. It has to be there. I mean, they won a Guinness Book of World Record for the largest inflatable car balloon or something that way.
Yeah.
So it has to be there.
It has to be there. It has to be there. It's kind of like जैसे Yo-Yo Honey Singh का अंदर गानों के अंदर Yo-Yo Honey Singh आता ही आता है. बादशाह के अंदर
Exactly.
It's your boy
Yeah,
बादशाह.
exact.
It's that.
Correct. And 28,000 लोग आए थे.
हाँ.
Officially, that is a figure over 2 days. Saturday, Sunday.
Correct.
28,000 लोग वहाँ पर आए थे गाड़ियाँ देखने के लिए.
Correct.
So you can imagine the crowd in that place.
So next time, be there. Okay.
100%.
That is one of those. If you are a car enthusiast, you should not be missing out. Icons of Porsche. And it is just the feel, the vibe is just amazing. It's
Correct.
not just about going and watching cars go vroom vroom. It's also the ambience.
Correct. So it's art, culture,
Yeah.
coffee,
Yeah.
lifestyle. You have Lego, which is an official partner with Porsche over there. You have the Porsche merch if you love buying T-shirts from Porsche
Right.
and adding more to their bank balance. But the art stuff is cool, right? All the paintings, all the posters, all the sculptures.
Yeah, yeah,
That is cool as well. And then just the general love for the brand.
Even the family has something to do, something or the other. Even if you go there with your kids.
Yeah,
उसके
correct.
लिए भी they have something or the other planned out.
वो Lightning McQueen आ गई थी यार वहाँ पर. I remember calling my nephew and saying, look.
All right. So icons of Porsche, Miglia. The third one that we discussed was,
The RM Sotheby's auction.
please.
भाई ये ऐसी चीज है कि जब तक जेब में पैसे नहीं हो तब तक आते नहीं है. No.
तब तक आपको invite भी नहीं आता है.
नहीं, but so the cars are open to the public, right? So before the auction on day 1 of Mille Miglia, the entire lineup of cars that are participating in the Mille Miglia and the RM Sotheby's auction cars are open to everyone to come and see.
Right.
तो सब आ सकते हैं, देख
देखो
सकते हैं.
गरीब. देखो तुम लोग.
इंस्पायर हो सकते हैं भाई, इंस्पिरेशन चाहिए.
I agree.
मैं इसके काबिल बनने वाला हूँ.
या ये मेरी next car होने वाली
हाँ,
है.
एग्जैक्टली वैसे.
Yeah.
And then the auction happens. This time it was at Emirates Golf Course, no, Montgomery.
Emirates Golf.
Emirates Golf Course. It was at Emirates Golf Course.
Right.
This year, every year they change location, so I hope it stays at Emirates Golf Course because stunning backdrop,
Correct.
beautiful location, everything was spectacular. And if I'm not mistaken, at this auction, the record for the world's most expensive modern car was achieved. I think $11 million odd dollars or $10 million odd dollars for the Pagani LM Zonda Roadster. So
11 million.
11 odd million dollars,
Dollars.
which is ठीक है.
ए यार.
तो मैं पता बैठा हुआ था, मैं वहाँ पर बैठा हुआ था जब ये आदमी बोली लगा रहा था. दो बंदे बैठे थे मेरे आगे, साथ में बच्चा बैठा था उनका, 4-5 साल का बच्चा था.
Right.
एंड उसको पैडल दे रहे थे, भाई बोली लगा तू. So imagine a 5-year-old kid or a 4-year-old kid picks up, हाँ, yes,
Just
2
in
million,
case अगर उसने
3 million.
3 million ज्यादा कर दिया होता
I don't think उनको फर्क पड़ने वाला था. क्योंकि जो
मेरे
बंदे
को भी ऐसे मम्मी पापा चाहिए.
दो जो बंदे बैठे थे ना, एक रिचर्ड मिल की घड़ी पहना हुआ था, तो वो 2-3 लाख डॉलर की घड़ी तो ऐसे ही है.
ठीक.
और दूसरे ने बुगाटी टूबी और वो जेकब एंड कंपनी की घड़ी पहनी हुई थी. तो मैं खाली घड़ियां देख रहा था, मैं लिटरली यहाँ बैठा था, वो वहाँ बैठा था, मैं देख रहा था उन दोनों को. भाई बच्चा पैडल ना, कैसे बच्चा है यार, इसको पता भी है क्या कर रहा है, लाइक जस्ट पावर इन दैट पैडल.
इसको यस नहीं, बहुत कुछ आ रहा है अभी बोलने के लिए.
But I was genuinely quite.
But it's interesting to see the kind of mindset that people have जब वो लोग वहाँ पे when they are there auction site पे. What goes on in their mind? मतलब they, I'm guessing, would be coming in with a certain mindset, right? कि ठीक है, 11 मिलियन तक मेरे को जाना है, या 15 मिलियन तक मेरे को जाना है, या 20 मिलियन तक मेरे को जाना है. They would come with a top line.
So I think that would depend one on the product that they are bidding on.
Correct.
तो जो गाड़ी है या जो घड़ी है that they are bidding on, if that genuine desire
Resonates with them.
with them, मेरे को ये चाहिए ही चाहिए, so they will have something to play with.
Correct.
Okay, I know I can go up to maybe X amount of money.
Correct.
कि मैं इतना पैसा इस पर डाल सकता हूँ.
Correct.
And then they will play. Some people get into that competition, that जोश
उसमें
डालो ईगो एग्जैक्टली. तो वो भी हो सकता है ना.
Correct.
वो तो उनको पता
उसके
है.
लिए फिर RM Sotheby's के लिए वो अच्छा है ना.
हाँ,
ऐसे लोगों
ऑक्शनियर
के
के लिए तो अच्छा ही है.
हाँ.
और वो तो बोलते ही है ना, भाई आओ लगाओ, आर यू बिडिंग. वो भी आके जलाते हैं ना, उंगली तो करते ही है नीचे से.
उसने ज्यादा लगा दिया. 2 मिलियन ज्यादा लगा दिया.
But now look, a car like the Pagani, again, limited edition, very few numbers made, very small numbers.
Correct.
Again, goes on to collections, into people who have such vehicles. It will
Correct.
probably not be the first hypercar this person or supercar this person is buying.
Very true.
So usually they already have something in the collection that they have.
True.
This is just adding one more to it.
Maybe it doesn't even go in the garage. Maybe it goes in the drawing room.
It's art.
It's art.
It's art, bro.
Yeah, I agree.
तो ऐसा है, तो हमें भी ऐसा आर्ट खरीदना है 100%. You know, I'm going and trying to find my art now.
I'm going to find my papa now. ऐसा ही कोई.
पापा गाड़ी चाहिए.
मैं भी पैडल लेके खड़ा रहेगा.
चमाट पड़ेगी.
Okay. And the final one, Formula 1.
Yeah, that is a very interesting thing. One, because it's the largest party I think the country sees.
Everybody waits for that. Dude.
Yeah, literally. I think people who don't know Formula 1 also want to go to a yacht and party over there.
Absolutely.
वो ना वो एक TikTok पे मीम आया था ना, I want to go to Dubai and I want to be on a yacht and party, right? ऐसा कुछ मीम आया था ना. ये वही है.
So true. मतलब I was just seeing Formula 1 अभी खत्म हुआ है. It's hardly been what 3-4 हफ्ते हुए हैं.
Yeah.
Already they have the tickets out for the 2025 season as well.
Yes.
And they're giving 20% या 25% जो भी उनका चल रहा है, discount codes are all out.
Correct.
Already.
Already.
It's Jan right now, but it's already out for a thing that is going to come in November.
November next year.
I mean, that's like looking into the future.
Well, one is it's the last race of the season, right? It is the absolute last race.
Yeah.
So everyone wants to come here. There is a break in Formula 1 for 6 to 8 months, if I'm not mistaken, till the next season starts. So by the time summer comes into play for across the world, that's when the next season will come into play. And यहाँ पर तो छुट्टी होने वाली है, तो सब लोग को पार्टी करने का तो बहाना चाहिए. And usually it's when the winner of the constructors championship or the drivers championship is announced. In the case of Abu Dhabi, McLaren won. I think after 18 years or 20 years.
And it was a huge deal for them.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Max had already won because of the point system. He already had won, so we knew that Max is going to be the winner. But for McLaren, it was a big deal. By McLaren ke sofa hai sponsorship.
Wink, wink, McLaren, if you are tuned in. Wink, wink.
भाई अबू धाबी की कंपनी है, पक्का स्पॉन्सरशिप चाहिए हमें भी.
No, but also this year it was also about the championships. Plus, at the same time, it was also about Lewis Hamilton, right?
Yes.
Playing his last
race
at Formula One with Mercedes
Yes.
before he just goes in and changes to red color. So it was all of those emotions that were flying, and
yeah,
it just made sense though.
It's a big deal. It's a big deal going into Ferrari. I mean, it just elevates Ferrari to another level. Like after having this stellar career,
Correct.
breaking all the records, achieving the most successful Formula One driver in history of Formula One ever with Mercedes-Benz, he's moving to Ferrari.
मैं कहीं पे I was reading कि I think Ferrari is giving him $10 billion for a span of 10 years or something like that. And everybody was, it's too much. Mercedes was saying that's too high, we're not able to give you and all of that. But Ferrari gave him and he signed up with them. At the same time, when this news came out, their stocks just jumped right ahead. And they already made twice or thrice the amount of whatever they had planned.
Correct.
So their money is made, he's happy, they are happy, everybody is in sync, and it's a win-win situation for everyone.
No, Ferrari has not been performing consistently in the past few years. This might change. They may want to deliver a car that is capable of Lewis. You know, they want to match that name.
True.
Having a win-win situation with Lewis on board elevates Ferrari to another level.
Yeah.
It brings back Ferrari to a glory day, which was, you know, not been there for a bit.
True. But I feel apart from just the race aspect of Formula One, this also, like Ferrari in itself, like a Lamborghini, is more in terms of the brand value also.
Correct.
So with Lewis coming in, the brand, Lewis himself is a brand.
Correct.
Right? So it's a win-win for both Lewis as well as Ferrari.
Correct.
And them joining in together, it just elevates it because no other team has that amount of, मेरे को लगता है कि Ferrari के जितना brand association होती है, लाल रंग आप कहीं पे भी देखो, it is a Ferrari. Whether Ferrari comes in a blue or a black or a red or a yellow or a whatever.
It's a Ferrari.
It's a Ferrari. लाल मतलब Ferrari.
Let's make it simple for our audience, right? अंबानी और अडानी मिल गए तो क्या होएगा?
गुजरात का भी खुश होगा.
So yeah, that's pretty much how I would put it to play.
Yeah, very simple, very simple. Alright जी. So ये तो हुआ of what happened over the last few months.
Correct.
Now let's go into the future.
Into the future. Well, January में थोड़ा आराम करते हैं यार. सब लोग छुट्टी वुट्टी मना के आते हैं. But the biggest event to start off the UAE calendar year is the Grand Picnic.
Right.
Which is again Safa Park.
Correct.
Open to enthusiasts.
Absolutely.
Beautiful space. If you have a cool collectible car, bring it, showcase it, share it with people.
True.
Share it with your friends, share it with random people, inspire everybody else, and you will make new friends as well.
Yeah.
Great initiative by the guys at Flat 12.
Oh, I love those guys.
Yeah. So, cool place, cool restaurant, and the coolest, I would say, user concept. It's not sponsored by a brand.
Correct.
It's not supported by any big name. It's just a bunch of guys coming together and saying, "Ye karna hai hame."
It's just pure car enthusiasts coming together.
Absolutely.
So when is it happening?
2nd of February.
Brilliant. So agar you missed out any of the other ones, 2nd of February is your date. Make sure you're there for the weekend.
So
Epic.
they opened registration yesterday
Low.
to bring your car.
Low.
और पहले दिन पे they had 1,000 applicants, 1,000 people wanting to bring their cars inside. खत्म हो गया भाई, नंबर नहीं आने वाला, खाली आके देख के जाओ बस.
But that in itself is a feel-good factor,
Yeah,
right?
exactly.
You enjoy just the vibe there.
Yeah, absolutely. Just come, enjoy the vibe.
Yeah.
have a picnic. You can bring your own food and cook inside if you want to.
It's Safa
Literally.
Park.
It's a park. It's Safa Park.
Yeah.
So do your own thing.
Okay.
But moving on to next year or moving on to 2025, we have a whole new bunch of changes coming into the automotive segment. एक सवाल हमें पूछा जाता है between you and me. We keep getting asked this: should we buy an EV?
Yes.
Right.
Should we buy an EV? That is
And that is the most weirdest question to get asked at this point of time, because honestly speaking, no one can give you a right answer.
Yeah.
It's a very generic answer. It's a very broad answer.
पता है मेरे को जो भी कोई पूछता है ना कि शुड आई बाय एन ईवी, एवरी सिंगल टाइम आई जस्ट टेल देम एक चीज कि अगर आप सेकंड गाड़ी ले रहे हो घर के लिए, लेट दैट बी एन ईवी.
Correct.
Your first car, let it not be an EV. Not that it can't be,
It can be.
but let it not be an EV for the simple fact that you would want to go out, you would want to go to a Hatta maybe from Dubai, or even Abu Dhabi for that matter, or even Fujairah for that matter. The range you'll get, but जो वो range anxiety होती है, that is a killer. You don't want that to come in till the time the infrastructure, अभी जैसे Diva has said that they're launching more charging stations and substations and all of those things. जब तक वो नहीं आता है, let that be your second car.
So
For internally, you can drive it, take it anywhere.
So coming back to the whole thought process is our infrastructure is getting built
Correct.
in the UAE. It's just not about Diva, it's about public players private players coming into play. So individuals can come up or companies can come up and set up charging points, say at restaurants or in buildings or in parking spaces. All of that will happen, but it's a while before it happens. My biggest question to people is, you want to buy an EV, where are you charging it? If you're living in a villa, if you're living in your villa and you can get a charger installed, if you're living in a villa and you can get a charger installed at your home, go for it. Or your workplace has a dedicated charging space for you, go for it. It can be
Dedicated. That is the point.
I
It
specified.
can't be open to
or
public.
it can't be open to public.
Yeah.
If you have that, go for it. If you don't have that, then figure out where are you going to charge your car. Because if you're going to wait in public spaces, you can wait for hours before
Right.
you get a spot. Okay? And that after that also you get fast charging only, which destroys the longevity of your car,
Of course.
of your battery.
Of course.
So you want to technically slow charge your car, that also as less as possible.
So one of my friends, he did not have the charger उसके घर पे for the longest time. And वो भाई क्या करता था, जोफर बुलाता था
और उसको
जोफर
बेहतर
से
चार्ज करने के लिए
चार्ज करने के लिए भेजता था सुपर चार्जर पे, उसको वहां पे खड़ा करता था और उसके बाद में आधा घंटा पौना घंटा, बिकॉज सुपर चार्जर जब आप जा रहे हो
जी।
वहां पे भी तो लाइन लगी हुई है,
करेक्ट
उसके लिए भी वेट करता था, चार्जिंग के लिए भी वेट करता था और फिर वो वापस लेकर आता था.
अरबाब कबीर. So
But now finally he has.
but the cost,
He has.
if you compare that cost to filling a fuel tank in your car, is the same.
It's the same.
It's the same.
That's what. So
So-
ideally, it's more about just understanding the whole mechanics and कितना time आपको चाहिए just to make sure कि बाकी सारी चीजें are in place.
Correct. So give it a year or so. We'll be seeing a lot of changes happening in the infrastructure.
But there are quite a few companies which are coming out,
Yes.
just EVs,
Yes.
just plain and simple electrics.
The amount of plain EV, just EV manufacturers coming into play is crazy. Obviously, it is being led by the Chinese,
Yeah.
but all of them are owned by pretty much the same 3, 4, 5 parent companies.
But there is also one not from China, which is the Vietnamese wala.
VinFast.
Ah,
VinFast.
yes.
So VinFast belongs to this company called Vin Group. Vin Group is like the Reliance of Vietnam.
Right.
They contribute anywhere between 1.5 to 2% of the GDP of the country.
Okay.
Employees close to 140,000 people.
Correct.
Okay, we went for a factory tour. ये सब हमें बताया गया,
हाँ.
सब ज्ञान दिखाया गया.
Right.
And we drove the cars as well. We drove it in Dubai last week, and we drove it in Vietnam as well. It's an interesting product.
Right.
Uh,
There is a but coming somewhere.
there is a but coming. It's built to a price. It's built to a price.
Okay.
Now the VF8, which is being launched in the UAE at 140,000 dirhams, starting, and it goes up to 150, 160.
Okay.
This is going to compete straight away with a lot of Chinese manufacturers
Right.
in terms of EVs and with the Tesla Model 3 as well.
Correct.
Okay. Now, whether they can hold the competition up with them, market will let us know. They have a lot of brand awareness to be done,
Right.
a lot of marketing to be done, a lot of
Right.
work to be done. Product, I cannot find fault with, but the product is also too new to find fault with. Only way you can find
Product you were
fault.
telling was designed also by Pininfarina or something like that.
So, Pininfarina is the design, the drawing, the shape of the car.
Correct.
So, that looks good. It looks good.
good.
It looks good. It
They,
looks good.
they're ticking the right mark.
That looks good.
Huh.
What comes down to is obviously things like battery, battery life, charging, the infotainment screen, just the materials inside the car, suspension. All of these things have to then be put into account over a period of years.
Right.
How people drive the cars. Now, when you buy a traditional brand that we are aware of, say Honda, Toyota, Jeep, BMW, Mercedes, whatever, it comes with a lot of history, right?
Correct.
10, 15, 20, 30, 50, 60, 70 odd years of history, where we are able to track their products and the reliability of their products.
Correct.
इसमें हमें नहीं पता है,
Right.
इसमें हम लोग जा रहे हैं ब्लाइंड में, तो हम जा रहे हैं भाई आज ऑल इन
क्या
जाना
होने
है,
वाला है?
आज एक टर्म है याद नहीं आ रहा है, पर एक एडवेंचरस माइंडसेट के साथ जा रहे हैं कि भाई क्या लेना है आज बाजार में. सो या यू आर
हाँ.
ट्राइंग समथिंग आउट न्यू.
But the good thing is कि अभी with so many companies coming in, you have 100,000 की भी गाड़ी, you have a 70,000 की भी EV, and you also have a 150 and a 300 वाली भी EV.
You will have a $1 million EV.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So there is no dearth of
Choice.
choice.
Choice is there for everyone now, and the customer is king when it comes to choice in buying a product.
Right.
What appeals to them is what we have to see,
Right.
and whether manufacturers stand by their claim and their warranties and their marketing words to the consumer.
Right.
That is what we have to see, and whether these guys, all the manufacturers that are coming in,
Right.
are able to stand and will stand the test of time. This is what we have to see.
Interesting. ठीक है जी. कैसा रहेगा? We shall find out and we'll keep you up to date. But as of right now, pleasure having you in.
Thank you, bro.
Shiva.
Appreciate it.
And Cornea Impression, follow him on Instagram, follow him on TikTok and all the other social media handles. And let us know, what else would you want us to talk about? This is what we call
Kidi Maro.
more in the next one. Take care.